fuck landlords, not sexually, but I hate mine, dude. He always plays with me, because here's the thing. Not like that, but here's the thing, because modern landlords, they don't give a shit. My landlord's like 22, dude. He's for sure doing crypto or something, right? Crypto or Ozempic. I don't know what he's doing, but he's flipping it and he's making money. Because he doesn't care about my problems. One day I texted him, I go, hey man, the dishwasher stopped washing. That's all I said. I said the dishwasher stopped washing. And he just texted me back and he's like, they do be doing that. And that was it's a whole exchange I have with that man. Sign my lease on Snapchat. That's on me, dude. That is on me. The second I sent it back, it said tap, tap, no trade backs. I was like, who is this man?